I'm here.
Holy fuck! What the fuck?
Bro has a
Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm playing Hide from the Villain with my little brother, and this game is actually fun. Like, there's not a lot of fun games in Roblox no more, but this game is actually fun. Like, I like this game. Yeah, I'm gonna skip when the game starts. Okay, now we're in the game, and my little brother say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't know why, but my little bro plays on Xbox. Game now makes us hide from the villain, and yeah, so we need to just survive as long as we can.
I'll find the villain and hit him with my sledgehammer. Oh yes, sexy man.
Ooh, I got epic power from the what was it called? Formula V Titan skin.
Where is the villain?
Whoa, this is actually tough.
Hit you with my...
Like, bro, what the fuck? What did this villain do the whole round? I didn't see him even one time. Yo, the deep is here. Oi.
Ooh. I'm here.
Holy fuck! Man, get the fuck away from me.
Fuck.
I just walked straight into the villain. Like, bro, what the fuck?
Oh, has it?
Pal. We can chill. Chill. Bro, matey. Chill. Did I just fucking escape? You did not fucking escape. I escaped second time. Second escape. Holy fuck, what the fuck, man?
Holy shit!
Fuck. Holy fuck.
I died.
Something just fucking killed me. I'm
Yeah, I hear absolutely nothing.
Are you survivor or the villain?
I am survivor, but looks like I cannot
See that?
what am I talking about? No, it's what the fuck?
Man, what the fuck?
Am I absolutely stupid or absolutely stupidly stupid? Homelander, I stole your toys.
Whoa, what toys?
You know, toys. The car
Alright,
you shove
pal.
into yourself.
What the fuck?
I'm just gonna check if there's another way to go.
Are you a villain?
No. Would I have a sledgehammer? Super speed.
Oh, you can go. I just fucking killed myself accidentally. Okay, I'm survivor. And what skill will I get? Titan skin! Let's go! I got fucking Titan skin again. This is so... I love this ability. This is actually so fucking good.
Fail.
Ah, take that.
Oh, yes, that is.
I'm never gonna play with you again, like, bro.
Any in
I fucking punched Homelander just now.
Hit on me!
Oh,
Homelander.
please. Please. Daddy.
Yes, I hit Homelander with a sledgehammer!
Fuck Homelander. That piece of fuck.
Me
Homelander can suck my... wait, nothing. Energy manipulation.
I look like my bro.
Stay the fuck away from me.
Let me hit on you.
Woo! Get the fuck
Don't
away
hit on
from me.
me.
Daddy. Oh, fuck
Daddy,
you,
where are you?
Homelander.
Fuck you.
You. Anymore, pal. Ah, take that. Okay, I found the greatest hiding spot on this game. Happening, bro.
Yes, I hit Homelander with my telekinesis.
Yeah, too easy.
Yo!
Fuck. Don't say you're the villain. Are you the villain?
I had to say it, but no. I am absolutely not. Totally.
Ah, you are.
Maybe.
Can we do
Oh
a
shit.
deal that you kill me last?
No. Keep the game
Please.
fair.
Please, bro. I'm your big bro. You can do that. Yo, there's something.
Okay.
Oh, repeat. Please, Anmusel. Please let me survive. Please let me survive.
Take that, you son of a bitch!
Well, no, I ain't.
What the fuck is
I
going
fucking
on
hate
today?
this ability. Why the fuck do I get energy manipulation?
Oh, you're not better.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Doctor, fuck off!
Fuck you, Berserk. Fuck you. I don't know why, but my avatar just glitched. But bye. Bye.